Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris, and very recently I got to attend an Espen Mathiesen seminar where we went over Riva and Berimbolo, and I even got the chance to roll with him. And in this video, we are not going to do any commentary. It's just going to be the entire roll without me chatting over the top of it in its entirety. But first, let's hear from Espen himself and see what he's got planned for this year.
Awesome. How long have you been training?
Now it's been, I started in like 2010, so 14 years now.
Jeez, nice.
Yeah, a couple years in the game now.
Nice. You got any plans for this year? Any plans for this year?
I'm going to do the Polaris Grand Prix at the end of March. Then for sure I'm going to do Worlds, and then I'm going to try to compete as much as I can during the whole year.
Awesome. What do you prefer, gi or no gi?
I prefer the gi, 100%. I think it's just so much more possibilities, right? There's so much more grip, so much variety. So I feel when I'm doing no gi, I just feel quite kind of limited, right?
What's your favorite position?
My favorite position, it's probably like back takes in general, whether it's through Berimbolo, crab ride, matrix.
Case in point today.
Yeah, getting to that, 100%.
Favorite submission?
Favorite submission, I think what I've done the most is definitely choke from the back, but I think the one I like the most is the armbar. I think armbar and loop chokes.
Ah,
that's
nice.
my favorites.
I love an armbar. And just last one, if you could give yourself one bit of advice to if you was a white belt, what would it be?
I think one of the most important things is trying to relax and not force too much. You know, in the beginning is so much thing you're thinking about, you get a bit stressed and you're trying to force your move, so maybe the technique of the day. But in general, like, don't tense up too much, breathe and just kind of see what's there.
Espen, thanks very much.
Man, thanks so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Before we start the roll, if you would like a commentary version of this, then I have actually made a video on that and you can find it here. Otherwise, enjoy the roll and I will catch you all next time. Cheers.
I got it.
Loves it when you wrist lock him.
He does, yeah.
He gets the hand. self-conceited, really. Enjoy it, just enjoy it, yeah? Learn from it. Got it where you want it now, Chris. 30 seconds to do your best. Yeah.
Got a ring came out of nowhere.
If you ever get the chance to roll with Espen, you absolutely should, or just go to one of his seminars. Dude is a wealth of knowledge, super nice guy, and even if you don't like inverting, because I'm not keen on it, you can still learn something from him, and it'll help your defense. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you like this face, you know, click that little subscribe button. It always helps the channel. Share. Espen, you also share it as well, please. Thanks, bud. Me and him are friends now. Either way, you've all been awesome. Have yourself a wonderful day, and I will catch you all next time. Cheers.